Under the vast, starlit sky of the 5th century BCE, in the fertile plains of Nepal, a young prince named Siddhartha Gautama was born to the sacrosanct Lumbini grove. Born into a world of luxury and privilege, Siddhartha's life was set on a different course when, as a child, he was introduced to the harsh realities of life outside his opulent palace. The sight of an aged, sick, and deceased man sparked a fire within Siddhartha, a fire that would ultimately lead him to seek the meaning of life's suffering. Driven by an insatiable thirst for wisdom, Siddhartha abandoned his royal life and set out to find enlightenment. He sought guidance from various religious teachers, but none could quench his quest for knowledge. One day, as he sat beneath a pipal tree in Bodh Gaya, Siddhartha vowed to remain until he had attained the answers he sought. For 49 days and 49 nights, he meditated, battling the forces of Mara, the personification of temptation and evil. Finally, on a glorious morning, Siddhartha reached a state of enlightenment. He had achieved a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of all things and the 4 noble truths that would become the foundation of Buddhism. With his newfound wisdom, Siddhartha roamed the land, teaching those who sought his guidance. His teachings emphasized the importance of compassion, wisdom, and the pursuit of nirvana, a state of liberation from the cycle of rebirth and suffering. As the years passed, Siddhartha's message spread far and wide, inspiring countless followers to embrace the Buddhist way. The religion's teachings would eventually reach distant lands, bringing a message of peace, wisdom, and enlightenment to millions. Thus, the story of Siddhartha Gautama's enlightenment marked the dawn of Buddhism in India and set the stage for a spiritual revolution that would profoundly shape the course of human history. In these ancient lands, a new path to enlightenment was born, one that would light the way for countless souls seeking truth and wisdom. The legacy of Siddhartha Gautama continues to resonate today, a testament to the power of one man's relentless pursuit of knowledge and the indomitable human spirit.